Our Get Real India story, which is a heart-wrenching tale from Maharashtra, where a farmer was forced to travel to Cambodia and sell his kidney. This because he had now incurred a loan which had started off at 1 lakh but eventually had ballooned with interest to 74 lakhs. What did the farmer do? He sold his kidney. Our Get Real India story is the tragic story of Roshan Sadashiv Kule. Take a look at what it takes sometimes to sell your kidney.
A farmer caught in a web of moneylenders ends up selling his kidney, but is still left with debt to repay. Roshan Sadashiv Kule, who lives in Minthur village in Maharashtra's Chandrapur district, approached police with a shocking complaint. Roshan's trouble started in 2021 when he borrowed 1 lakh rupees from 2 moneylenders to buy cows which died. To repay debt, he claims to have taken loans from other moneylenders at a huge rate of interest. Soon he was trapped in a vicious cycle of debt, with principal and interest allegedly rising to 74 lakh rupees. Roshan sold 2 acres of land and a tractor. Then he claims to have contacted an online agent to sell his kidney. The surgery allegedly took place in Cambodia in October 2024. But the 8 lakh rupees he got was still not enough to clear his debt.
यांनी केलेली अशी पिळवणूक भरपूर गंभीर प्रकारची आहे. आज 4 महिने झाला मी न्यायासाठी हिंडतो पण न्याय मिळत नाही. माझी सरकारला एवढीच विनंती आहे की मला न्याय मिळवून द्यावा. माझी गेलेली प्रॉपर्टी मला मिळण्यात यावी.
Based on Roshan's complaint, police have booked 6 moneylenders. 5 of them are arrested.
आमच्याकडे पुरावा भेटल्यानंतर आम्ही लगेच त्यांच्यावर आता गुन्हा दाखल करण्याची प्रक्रिया सुरू केलेला आहे. त्यावर आम्ही सहकारी अधिनियमच्या जे कलम 29, 30, 31 च्या कलम आणि एक्स्टॉर्शनच्या कलम मागच्या वर्षी ऑक्टोबर महिन्यामध्ये त्यांनी ते असं बोलताय की ते किडनी विकलेला आहे. तो त्या अनुषंगाने आतापर्यंत चौकशी पूर्ण झालेल्या नाहीये. तरी पण ते ट्रान्झॅक्शन बघितलं असेल तर काही आरोपीच्या अकाउंटवर त्यांना पैसे अकाउंटला पैसे पाठवलेला आहे आणि पैसे पण घेतलेला आहे.
Roshan Kule is hoping stern action by the police which help him to recover his lost money. With Vikash Rajurkar, Bureau Report, India Today.